This is going to be a really short video, and this is the last theory lecture on user-defined functions. In this particular video, I'm going to show you or really talk about how you can pass numbers to functions. That means how you can pass arrays by reference or by address. So I'm going to repeat the bubble sort program which was explained earlier in the arrays, single dimensional arrays chapter. So what I'm going to do here is, let us say I have an array A of 50. I am going to ask how many elements or numbers the user is interested to enter. Although the capacity is 50, user may enter just 10 numbers. Then I have a function called read A. So I am passing the array A, and what I told you, arrays are passed by reference or address. So once it goes to read A, whatever values I enter in A here, this A is indirectly referring to the original A in main. So when I enter the numbers, okay, those numbers are going to be stored in this particular array, which is A of 50. So this A is an alias to this particular A, or is a nickname for this A. So since arrays are passed by address, this A represents the address of A of 50. So suppose A of 50 is at the 1000th location, this will represent the first 1000th location. Next one will be at 1004, 1008, 1012 and so on. So this is how I go about. Then once I read, I'm going to call a function called as sort. Not really going to explain the logic here because this has already been done. No point in redoing it again. For those of you who are not clear with the logic, go back to the chapter on arrays, look back at bubble sort using single dimensional arrays. So here I am doing the sort. Again I am passing sort A. This A refers to A of 50. So whatever I am doing here is going to affect this particular A of 50. So I am sorting the elements, and in A, the new order is reflected. That means the sorted data is reflected. Then finally, when I am doing print, I just need to print the elements in the order in A. I just print the elements of A, they will print in the sorted order. Now, just to indicate that I am passing the address in the prototype int star, int star, int star. So read is int star, sort is int star, print is int star. What does it mean is, whatever is the parameter being sent to read, sort and print, they are going to be addresses. They are not going to be values. The star indicates that this A, all the three A actually represent the address of the starting location of an array. So this is the past here. I told you if the array is at address 1000, so 1000, this A will represent address 1000, this will represent 1000, this will represent 1000. And since you're working on that particular location itself, any changes you make here, here or here will be affected in the original A, because all these three A's are merely representing this original A due to this star. So take a look, run this program. In the second year, you're going to study pointers in depth. So let's not get too deep into it. If you just get a hang of it, it's great, so that when we enter second year, it's going to be a lot more easy.